Hello everyone! In today's tutorial, we are going to create this amazing curved masking text effect where we use a simple banana image and mask by text inside it to get a clean, curved, and professional cutout look. But before that, make sure you subscribe the channel and keep learning with us. All right, let's begin. First of all, we have to import our banana PNG image. Right-click anywhere on the workspace and select Import. Then choose your image. And drag it by holding the left mouse button as shown in the video. Now we have to duplicate this image. Just drag it slightly and click the right mouse button to create a duplicate. Next, go to the Text tool, click on the workspace, and start typing your text. I am writing banana. Make sure your text is thick, so I am choosing the impact font. Now place your text over the banana image. And now go to Envelope tool and select it. Now we have to adjust our text according to the shape of the banana. And then use the handles to match the exact curve. Just follow the process shown in the video. Make sure the text does not go outside. Now, select the second banana image that we duplicated earlier. Right-click on it, go to Power Clip, and select the text. If it does not look perfect, go to Edit Power Clip and adjust everything properly as shown in the video. Next, go to the Contour tool and drag downwards as shown. Now, select the image and click on Simplify. And then drag the white part and delete it. And now we have to create a shadow. Follow the steps shown in the video. And here we go. Now I think it's perfect. And that's how you create this effect. Thanks for watching.